Hey y'all, this is Vic, and that's old copper girl. Hey, she loves these tool hauls, and Mr. Pete has been kind enough and got a package in the mail today. So I don't know what I've done to deserve all this goodness, but I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So, all right. So Mr. Pete has sent me a nice letter. I've read it. I know a little bit of what's in here. By his letter, and so I'm gonna start with this bad boy, because I want you to look at this. He made me it's a custom ball peen hammer. Ain't that a thing of beauty? That thing there is tight. I mean, that is awesome. Big Vic blue. I mean, that's a awesome job. Mr. Pete, I really do like that. Thank you so much, and man, I appreciate it. Got here, oh, look at that. Look at that thing. International Harvester wrench. Man, thank you, Mr. Pete. Oh man, I like it. Thank you. So, see what's in here. Oh, check it out. I collect utility knives. I do not have a Miller's Falls, so I am up there now. Got some blades in there with it. Thank you so much, Mr. Pete. That will go into my collection nicely. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh. 2542 Wizard 13/16 spark plug socket. Yeah, thank you, sir. And oh, look at everybody keeps feeding my addiction on these advertisement screwdrivers. I can't get enough of them. Thank you so much. Reach down in the bottom. Oh, here what we got here. Got a little 1218 Proto 9/16. Thank you, sir. Ooh, a little Proto 4766. Little flexible 1/4 inch extension. Ah, look at there. 1228 Proto Los Angeles. Ain't that nice? Look at there, it's got part of the plumb pebbled into the 7/8 there. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, my friend. Then we have a 10-inch Proto Los Angeles 710-S. So, thank you so much, Mr. Pete. Thank you. My Proto collection has grown. And then we have this beauty right here. Look at that. New Old Stock Craftsman. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. It's a 364/64 12-ounce ball peen, made in the USA. Still got the stickers on it. I mean, that's a thing of beauty right there. Thank you so much, Mr. Pete. And then, last but not least, check out this little tin right here. My wife collects, she grabs harmonicas that reminds her of her granddad. And she's gonna really like this. So I really like it too, but I probably won't get to keep it. So, well, good gracious, as I was cleaning up, I missed that. How in the world did I miss a wizard? So there we are, another wizard. So Mr. Pete, I hope these guys go and follow you on Instagram, and boy, it'd be nice if you get you a YouTube channel and start showing off all that awesome collection that you have of Craftsman, and I know you collect Proto and all that too. So anyways, there's a little wizard that I found there at the end. I almost lost her. So hey, thank y'all so much, and I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you.